Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Going through the recaps for yesterday and today. I forgot to record yesterday's. So yesterday I did $342 on my three evals, and it was a long off of Asia London sweep, and we tapped into a 4 hour fair value gap as well as the 200 EMA. That was all the confluences for the long that I took. I took it with 4 micros and I wrote it up like 70 points. So that was a great trade on the evals. And on the live, I took the same trade, but I got no, I didn't take the same trade. I waited a little bit more, which I shouldn't have, and I was in profit for about $100 and $150, and I let it like get to break even. I didn't take my profit right up here. We started, I this was when my profit was up $150 on my live account, and then I waited for price to break out, never did, and pretty much got broke even there. But I'm a little bit more aggressive with the eval since I'm only spending $80 on them, so I'm more confident. But when it comes to my live, I'm a little bit more passive. Don't take the same trades. I'm afraid I'll lose, even though it's a good setup. I need to get out of that mindset because I got an entry like right around here on my evals, and it was a great trade. So wish I didn't do that. Wish I gotten in the same way. And today, you see a bunch of trades here, but they were all little scalps that I was trying to do later on. But the main money came from here. The sells right here. So this was the opening range. Where is it? From 6:30 to 6:45. Right here. Right here. So this is where I entered in shorts at 20,260, and I wrote it all the way down. And that's the profits from today. So I had 4 micros again, and I wrote it down to about 50 points. So it was a really clean trade, nothing crazy. And then I tried to scalp a little bit here, but I'm not really a scalper, so that didn't work out. So pretty much just got break even after that. So that's all these little trades. So yeah, had some losses, but ended up like $40 more than what I had made in the morning. So yeah, oh no, $90. So in the morning I'd made like 300, 220, 220, and then I made around $90 extra, like scalping with just a micro. So yeah, I've been trying to learn how to scalp a little bit more so I can do it with minis and be done quicker. But I don't know if it's really my style. I like clean setups that have clear targets and all that. You know what I mean? Scalping is very discretionary. So those are the two trades, basically two real trades that I took on my evals. And today for the live, I ended up with a loss of $84. So basically, I was in profit again for taking the same trade, the orb trade, with 2 micros. So I had caught about, it's like how many points is that? $4, and I was up 150. 4 divided by 150, like 25. No. What's 4 divided by 150? I don't know. Whatever that is, 60 maybe? 50, 40. Yeah, around 40 points. Yeah, so I was around in profit about 40 points, and then I got scared with this pump right here, and I closed out at a loss pretty much. I closed out and then I re-entered longs thinking it'd go up, and then it started dumping, and I had an $84 loss, and I took a withdrawal from this account today. So let's see, that's going to be over here. So yeah, that's the $167 there that I withdrew. So I'll get the money in my bank tomorrow. Because in my last recap, you would have seen that I was up $250, and I was up to 400. It would have been a $400 withdrawal if I had just secured the 150, but that didn't happen. So my account's pretty much at what I put in it. So at 5,000, that's where I like to keep it. So yeah, if I just played with my usual sizing, I would have gotten a nicer win, and I would have just gotten out completely. That's 6 micros. So with 6 micros, that's like that's 12. Yeah, that's a $500 win. I would have taken it in a flash, but I was up for the week. I didn't trade on Monday. I was break even Wednesday, 500 win Tuesday. And then Thursday, I just wanted to play it safe to get the money, but I got spooked and just left. I just left the trade. If I just held it, it would have gone back down. So yeah, that's bad on my part because it would have printed big time. We cleaned out previous day's lows, I believe, as well. So yeah, it would have been a great trade, but. No point in talking about it. So that's the state which my accounts are at. 167, still profit for the week. There's still tomorrow to trade. Maybe I can make another $200 tomorrow, and I'll be pretty happy. Risking $100 since it is a Friday, and on my evals we're up $900 the first week of trading. Started trading these accounts on the 28th. So no trades on the 28th. So that's 500 and another 400, whatever. So yeah, up $900 almost on all of these first week. So if the trend continues, they'll be done in the next week and a half, or no, next 2 weeks. But I didn't trade. Well, still haven't traded tomorrow, and still have not traded, and didn't take a trade on Monday. So 3 days of trading, up $1,000 almost, which is good. So yeah, hoping to pass these soon so I can take less risk, and it multiplies, and I'm able to stay in trades longer. Since the number of contracts will be less on each account. So yeah, with 4 accounts, 3 fundeds and 1 live, I can risk 2 micros on 2 to 3 micros on each account, and whatever trade it may be, it'll be really nice, depending on the risk, of course. So yeah, that's the update. I'll see you guys tomorrow on live. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.